Good morning, everybody from Leon, Nicaragua. I've been here for just a few days. If you've seen my last video, I went like volcano boarding and to the local beach here. But basically, for the next few days, I am staying with a local family, doing a homestay in Leon and doing Spanish classes for 4 hours every day for I think 5 days. Hopefully my Spanish will improve. I just wanted to like actually learn something, like really learn something while I was in Nicaragua, and so I chose Spanish because I think that would be really helpful for like my future travels and everything, and I definitely want to improve on my language skills. So I'm just gonna take you through like the next like 3-4 days to show you what I get up to as a language student here in Nicaragua, staying at a local family's home. I don't really know what to expect out of this week. I don't really know what I'm going to vlog. If you're at all interested in taking Spanish classes anywhere in Latin America, I think it's going to be very similar to this. Sorry for the mess, but I have a beautiful big room with a giant bed, which is so lovely because I've been sleeping in tiny hostel beds. I got some room over here for my luggage. There's like a closet that I won't be using. And then I even got my own bathroom, which is lovely. A toilet and a shower, and then the sink is just right outside the door here. And then this is like the family, and downstairs is where everybody else. Really, really nice space. In literally a home right across the street from the Spanish school in like the main center, historic center in Leon. So it's perfect location, perfect place, and I'm really happy to be here. Okay, so I just got back. I've been studying at a cafe all morning, nothing exciting. They had me change rooms because I guess they're gonna start doing some work on the bedrooms next to the one I was in, so upstairs. So they moved me downstairs right by the kitchen and everything, so I can smell all the good food. I wanted to show you this room too, because if you were to stay at this school with a homestay, it's the lady who runs the school said that it used to be one big school and then 2 homes, but now it's only 1 home, and there's like a ton of rooms in the home. So usually there's lots of students, but because of like Corona and everything, COVID, there hasn't been. So this is another room that you could possibly stay in. It's another really big bed, really comfortable. I tried it out, don't worry. In a really, really big room this time. I even have a desk, a fan, and then this is another bathroom. Very simple bathroom, shower, of course. Put my towel there. They give you towels and everything. This one is good as well. I'm gonna have lunch right now. They cook you lunch 3 times a day, or not lunch 3 times a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. They cook you food 3 times a day. But then after lunch, I will go to the school for my 4-hour lesson, and I did my homework. They give you a little assignment every week, which is like they give you like a little assignment every day, and this was mine for today. I don't even know if I got it all right, but the Spanish teacher is really helpful, so I think it'll be fine. This green building is the school, Metropolis Spanish School, and this is the house right here, right by the tourists. There's lots of rooms up here and everything, and in the back, literally right across the street. These are like all the little classrooms. I think there's like 3 or 4. Very, very basic setup here, but you don't need much. They have coffee and water at the front too if you get thirsty. You take like a 15-minute break to 2 hours in. It's a 4-hour class, 1 to 5 for me, but you could choose and you could set it up with your maestro when you want.
Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol.
Hola! I asked for like 3 inches, so we'll see how much I get cut off. I'm a little nervous. I've needed this in like over a year. This is amazing. I love it so much. It feels so short, but it's not. It's not at all. They took off like not even 3 inches. Not only is it a salon, but it's a pedicure, and then there's a massage as well. I had no idea this was behind the house. Good evening, you guys. It is my last night with the homestay, and it is somebody's birthday, but we're gonna have a really big, good feast, I think, a good dinner tonight. And then Anna and I, another girl who is staying at the homestay, who came on Tuesday, I believe, are gonna go to a salsa bar, and we're gonna go salsa. So it should be a really, really fun night. And then I leave really early in the morning for Granada. But I just wanted to say my review on the school so far and how much it was, give you guys a bit of information. So I paid $220 US dollars for the homestay and for classes for 5 days, and the homestay for 4 nights. The classes was 4 hours each day, so definitely worth the money. And I included all meals at the homestay and a lovely, lovely family, and a really nice room with a big bed, and your own bathroom in your room. It's been amazing, and I have learned so much Spanish. My head is hurting, and the family has been absolutely amazing, cutting my hair and giving me laundry, and the meals have been amazing as well. And so it should be a really good night tonight. Leon is supposed to be better to study Spanish in Granada because they speak more Spanish in Leon than in Granada. It seems like more local as well. Granada seems a bit more developed of a city, which is great too, but if you really wanted to dive in with your Spanish, I think Leon is where to do it. But anyways, we're gonna get into the night. Do you know what film is in Spanish?
Película, but it's like a movie.
That's a movie.
Yeah.
Feliz cumpleaños, Abel.
Feliz cumpleaños, feliz, aunque sea un pedacito, pero queremos pastel y Coca-Cola también. ¿Sí?
Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Oh, 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 te quiero. It is the next morning, and I'm getting ready to go off to my next destination, but I'm just having some breakfast now. I'm gonna write the family a really cute note in Spanish, and then I'm gonna catch the bus to Granada. The last night was really, really fun. We went to the Viva Viva bar and then the 23 bar, and both were really, really fun. The Viva Viva had more like salsa and cumbia, and the 23 bar just had more of like a club party, but both were really fun and had like really great people. But anyways, thanks so much for watching my video, and I hope it wasn't too boring. I hope you learned something, and I hope that you get inspired to do a Spanish school homestay sometime soon in a Latin American country, because it's awesome. But anyways, have a great day, and make sure you like the video. Bye.